A responsible person must accompany children under 8. Splash Mountain has a single rider option that may help you get on faster. Cast members use single riders to fill in otherwise empty seats. If you're willing to split up from the rest of your group while riding, it can shorten your wait time significantly. You're going to get wet. The ride has hidden sprinklers that add water to make the splash more dramatic. Some people say they turn the sprinklers down during colder weather, but that won't keep you dry. You will get wetter if you sit in the front rows than if you sit in the back. If you ride late in the day in winter, you'll go around soggy and cold afterward. Ride early when it's warmer or make Splash Mountain your last ride of the day. If you want to know how wet you might get, see for yourself. After they splash down, the ride vehicles pass under a small bridge on their way to the unloading area. Look for the harbor gallery across the street from Splash Mountain, walk behind it to the bridge and you can look down on the poor soggy souls. Take plastic ponchos or use the old trick of cutting holes in a big garbage bag. It will protect your clothing from splashes, but the seat may be wet when you get in, which means your seat will be damp when you get out. Got curly or frizzy hair? Try taking a shower cap. You might look a little silly in the ride photo, but you'll look good for the rest of the day. Try to smile as you go over that last big drop. You're getting your picture taken. Put away your glasses and hat, or you may lose them. Splash Mountain is pretty at night if you don't mind getting wet. More of the best night rides. You can see all the Disneyland rides at a glance on the Disneyland ride sheet. While you're thinking about rides, you should also download the recommended Disneyland apps. They're all free, and get some proven tips to minimize your Disneyland wait time.